Hello, in this video I want to show you how to adjust date and time settings on GoPro Hero 12. To do this, we'll need to swipe our finger down from top of the screen, move to the next page and enter Preferences. Right here, scroll down again and find date and time. Right here you'll be able to change date by clicking on it. There's also option to pick date format, time. You can also switch between 24 hours or 12 hours clock right here. And there's time zone and daylight saving time, which you can enable or disable. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.